yung next argument po DBM, meron naman daw pong Higher Education Development Fund ang CHED. But I think CHED has already adequately defended yesterday that yung HEDF ay hindi lamang for SUCs, kundi even for private higher education institutions and to promote centers of excellence. So, ang nangyayari po, ang pinag-aaway ng DBM ay yung SUCs with students, SUCs with CHED, SUCs with private higher education institutions. Pero ang dapat nating i-assert po dito, the national government, if it has a political will, should increase the budget for SUCs. Dahil kung priority ang education, wala tayong distinction between basic education and higher education. Dapat ang committee na ito, ang Congress, should assert for higher education.